My name is Lynn Fathallah. I'm a senior medical laboratory science pre-med. I am from Beirut and have lived in beautiful Beirut my whole life. I got enrolled at AUB in fall 2020-2021. I've passed by Bliss Street a million times before and always hoped to be able to one day graduate as a doctor from AUB. And so, I obsessed over it and I worked for it. But even then, I knew it was a very far-fetched dream because my family couldn't afford it. I chose medical lab as a pre-med. First, because as an undergraduate degree, it gives me direct on-ground practice of diagnostic cases and a direct taste of patient care and hospital rotations. It also opens a lot of doors for me in research and molecular studies, if not medicine. One of the biggest challenges I've had in university is time management, trying to find the balance between studying and finding time for myself. In the spring of my junior year, I received an email from Qatar Education Above All Scholarship. Honestly, it was like being handed an opportunity on a silver platter, and I knew that I was going to make the most out of it. Since the very first town hall meeting of this scholarship, I pushed myself out of my comfort zone and participated in as many events, workshops, and presentations as I can, something that I still can't believe that I was able to achieve. I learned that growth exists outside your comfort zone and that you have to commit to things you haven't done before in order to open new doors. Something that I took from this scholarship and I promised myself to apply everywhere else in life is to say yes more than I say no and to make sure I always try new things. One of the most life-changing experiences that Qatar Scholarship offered me was a trip to Qatar to represent AUB and Lebanon in the Generation Amazing Festival associated with the World Cup. Its aim was to have students from all over the world and show them the uniting developmental power of sports, how football can be used as a tool for change, and most importantly, to bring the world together. It was one of the most eye-opening experiences of my life, a hub of diversity, football legends, and cultural events. My enrollment with Qatar Scholarship will definitely be on top of my engagement opportunities and personal skills that I developed while in university. It will tremendously help my medical school application to have had committed to such a scholarship program and been a part of its activities. I would definitely encourage anyone given this opportunity to seize it and make the most out of it. It's a portal to so much involvement in university life as well as skills for the future.